In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Instagram messages from both sides. If you've ever sent a message too quickly or realized you'd rather take it back, this is exactly what you need. On Instagram, removing a message for both you and the other person is done by unsending it. This only applies to messages you sent, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it with confidence. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're on your main home screen. From there, open your direct messages by tapping the messenger style icon in the top right corner. That takes you to your inbox where you can see all your recent chats. Next, select the conversation that contains the message you want to remove. It can be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Scroll to the exact message you want to take back so there's no confusion about which one you're removing. Now unsend the message. Tap and hold directly on the message bubble. This works the same on iPhone and Android. After a brief press, a small menu will pop up on your screen. Choose unsend. As soon as you select it, Instagram removes that message from the chat for everyone. It disappears from the thread, so the other person or members of the group will no longer see it when they open the conversation or scroll back. A few important things to remember. You cannot delete messages that someone else sent to you. You can only unsend your own messages. If the other person already opened the chat and read the message before you unsent it, they may have seen it. They might also have caught a preview in their notifications. And if they took a screenshot or saved the content before you unsent it, unsending won't affect that. Unsending is permanent, so if you change your mind afterward, you'll need to type and send a new message. This method works for the messages you send, including text, photos, videos, links, and voice notes. In group chats, it removes your message for everyone in the group. If you don't see the unsend option, make sure you're pressing and holding on the exact message bubble, and consider updating the Instagram app since menu layouts can change with newer versions. That's it. Open Instagram, go to your DMs, pick the conversation, then tap and hold your message and select unsend. Quick, simple, and effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more clear Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.